useful briquettes that are used in a variety of businesses while lowering the amount of waste produced. By converting garbage into useful resources, this machine plays a significant role in supporting circular economy principles. Although environmental concerns are of utmost importance, Weimar shredding and briquetting's efficiency, adaptability, and resource recovery capabilities make it a disruptive force in the recycling industry. Moving forward, we encounter the versatile Weimar shredding and briquetting machine, a dynamic force in the recycling arena. Fueled by a potent engine, this mighty machine combines the functionalities of shredding and briquetting, transforming waste into compact, eco-friendly briquettes. Its innovative design allows for the efficient processing of various materials, from plastics to wood, offering a holistic solution to waste reduction. Weimar shredding and briquetting is special because it can handle both shredding and briquetting requirements with one integrated system. This efficient method produces
through a ropeway cage that rotates and ties the different strands together. If the desired diameter and strength is reached, the ropes will be tested again. Last but not least is the PVC pipes from HeavyDuty Group. These are produced through extrusion of raw materials. An extrusion line from the HeavyDuty Group is used for manufacturing 500 millimeters in diameter high-quality pipes. However, they are not only limited to that, for different diameter values can also be set depending on the needs of the operation. The process starts with the raw materials getting fed into the twin-screw extruder. Then, it's heated and melted so that the yield can be extruded. The product of this step will now be used to shape a pipe. Lastly, the lines created are individually cooled and cut to the required length. Next is the Tesker MFG Model 742, which is a thread roller that can roll up to 12-inch diameter parts with the help of its 340,000 pounds of rolling force. Even though it's originally built to withstand heavy-duty work, this machine does not require a lot of costs. It has a servo drive that maintains the accuracy and independent spindle drive access control. Cable cars, bridges, and even heavy-duty cranes are incomplete without ropeways. This is why the Fatzer AG has been manufacturing the best of the best ropes in the market. To make sure of the quality it releases, each tensile strength of the wires are measured and tested. If they pass the standards, the wires will be installed on a stranding machine that draws the cables on a twisting head. To further secure the strands of rope, it's sprayed with grease and processed. Known to be a fast vertical band sawmill, the Mibor sawmill also boasts its tilted long carriage that allows shock-free reception of saw bands. Surely, this is made for high-capacity and quality-oriented sawing of both soft and hardwood logs. This machine has successfully combined the speed, energy efficiency, and high wood recovery of wood needed for the task. On top of that, operators can configure it either in single or double side cutting depending on what the operation needs. Speaking of welding machines, we have the RCM double-axle friction welding machine from Jiangsu Risheng Machinery. This is a machine designed with comprehensive modeling features and unique double-bed structure that provides more operation space for the operators. This impressive machine also has a brand new axle housing clamping that works with its positioning device so that precision and accuracy is maintained all throughout the welding process. Welding also needs stable drive power output, which is what the high-quality hydraulic drive system monitors. When talking about monitoring, it's also important to note that this machine also has a comprehensive monitoring system where operators can keep and monitor records of the welding data. Shift each can from one stage of manufacturing to another. Next, we have the Tornafuso, known for manufacturing one of the best spindles in the market. Using this machine, you're guaranteed to produce high-quality spindles even with its varying diameters, steps, and lengths based on what is stated in the drawing or sample for segments or lifting. This machine is capable of covering any directional movements and is compatible with a lot of attachments and machine tools. You'd be surprised to know that Tornafuso can even craft more segment rings so that higher quality production is achieved. Aside from that, they make sure to use SAE 1020 and 1045 materials for exceptional grounding and polishing, as well as to provide very durable spindles. Extreme strength is needed. A while ago, we mentioned the production of canned bodies. Now, let's talk about a welding machine that is used in that particular process. This is the Wanrox 306, a machine that can produce large amounts of food and oil containers. Since the demand for canned containers is getting higher every day, it's important that the machine you use can keep up with it. The Wanrox 306 is capable of manufacturing 350 cans in just 1 minute. Plus, you can also program this machine's speed and can size according to what you need. This does not only increase the factory's efficiency by 100-fold, but also guarantees their return of investment in no time. Operating it does not cause problems too, since it was designed to have many sensors that hold and achieved. The final step would be to transport them to the bottom seamer so all can bodies are upside down and ready to move on to the collecting table. Up next is the Walter Hasenkamper GmbH production of heavy bolts and high-strength nuts. Before everything else, each piece needs to go through strict cleaning and cutting lines. From here, they will be heated and pressed by heavy machines. This is done to ensure that the desired shape is achieved. Then, they are crafted into the required rings. However, their journey does not stop here. Before they are released or finalized, each piece is tested for their strength. This step is very essential, since these bolts and nuts are used in construction sites where aside from plastics, one of the most common materials used for packaging are metal cans. The Vatan Makina automatic can body machine is capable of producing 40 of these metal cans in just 1 minute. To do this, print work should first be accomplished using a metal sheet. Then, both ends of the sheet will be welded to form a round cylindrical shape. Managing this operation is really hassle-free since the machine has an auto-view technology that helps in detecting whether the connection lines when welding the cans are still in order. It also has a servo motor that positions these cans precisely to the expanding spindle. Once shaping is done, each can will be moved to the double-squeeze flanging machine so that the end and top flange of the bodies are